we live? Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. We just passed phase 1, phase 2 on the 5th funded account trial. So this trade right here ran to a 1 to 20. Took these L's prior right there. This bullish medium inducement here outside of our key time window, 2 p.m. So we're looking for just to confirm we need more of a significant break. So we went for this break of this high right here. And then we came into Asia and saw this sweep of Asia within our key time window. As a medium inducement, had the change of character right there. Waited for price to pull in to somewhere like this. So this trend line. And it tapped in, or I entered the trade right at our session open. It's just melted, so we took our partial, or not our partial, our full TP. I went to 4 IR. 2% risk is 8%, and that is phase 1. Only do 2% risk, 1% takes too long. On this trade, I mean, I would have been halfway down, but like, why be halfway when I can just pass in one trade if I risk 2? The losses will come, but it is what it is. Okay. So we were here, saw this medium inducement here, holding precedence until our next session. On the 15-minute, we didn't really get any medium inducements, change of character, or anything like that within London at all. This could have been it, but it didn't break up, so it broke down. So London continued our New York trend, and I was just looking for a New York continuation of the London trend, pretty much. On the 5-minute, saw this trend line, price tapped it into this zone right here. And at the rejection, I entered, which gave us our 2.52, 2.5, which is essentially 5R and a 2% risk. So that passed our phase 2. Now let's see if we can secure a payout into the next day. We had Asia right there. Enough price swept this daily low. Okay. Not the daily low, I mean just this low over here. Yeah, potential medium inducement happened at 1 p.m. Character. If we break above here, if we break above there in London, probably CA for your continuation possibly. So we're still coming into here. London didn't really do much, so this isn't confirmed quite yet. So I'm looking for shorts. See if we can get any short. Relative resistance level. See if we break that. 80-point stop. 2R. See. Okay. stopped out, -2. Price decided to break above, so we are confirming inducement here. Price broke above, okay. If you can get a break test inducement to no break test, can't just long from here because like price could just high. I don't know where the low is going to be, so we want to see sweeps of liquidity. And price is just gone. So we had this medium inducement here. We couldn't really confirm it up until this broke right here. So that's why I decided to take the short here. Got stopped out, confirmed buy switch. Couldn't get a re-entry until the next day. Okay. 7 o'clock outside our time window. This could have been our medium inducement, however. Price did not break below at all. Respected order flow. So let's see if we can get any confirmations within here. This will be a change of character. If not, we'll just continue our bullish bias. So what we see in here. How much liquidity into the zone, just besides this low right here. Then led to this high. If we go long from here, break test off this inducement right here, possibly. Yeah, it's pretty good. If it breaks, just switch our buys to bearish. Still not stopped out right there. Still in. O2R. -4. Not really confirmed yet, honestly. We need the break of structure because this happened at 7 a.m. outside of our key time window. If we can break this, okay. 5 minute, still within our time window. If you get a break test inducement, that'd be nice. There's also this discount level up here. At 11:10, this is outside of our time window until the next day. -1 hour here. Still operating off this medium inducement. Oh, that's just our discount level. We don't really need that. Okay, Asian. This could be our bullish medium inducement. If you can get price to break above there, then we're bearish. Okay, London. Or if we break above that, we are bullish. However, London reversed from that exact point. Coming into New York. Just be careful for medium inducements and change of characters on the 15-minute. It's like if you take this high and break a minor low here, then we probably switch bearish. Potential medium inducement. Oh, this is 9:30. Okay. Okay. Let's see if price comes into this low. This is just breaking away on the 5-minute. Okay. No re-entry. Okay. It's well with outside of our time window, but we had the direction correct. Just didn't get a pull back into our zone. So we're operating off this medium inducement. This break of structure. Okay. London continued. 7 a.m. Okay. This could be a trap. No wait for price to take this high. Yeah. Be the medium inducement that brings us lower, but no. I'm going to risk this for the longs. Still operating off this medium inducement. This 5-minute could potentially just dump, which will then switch our bias to bullish or bearish. Okay. It's just worth the risk. It's too much. 5-minute. $10.35. Price just selling. Okay. 11.50. Yeah, this is well without our side of our zone. Okay. Down 6% on the evaluation stage or the funded stage. Mind you, one good trade could bring us all back from that. Okay, so we have. Alright, probably get a medium inducer or something like that. This would be our change of character. If price breaks above here off this medium inducement, then we're short. So yeah, let's look for our shorts. London is about to open 7 a.m. Versus tanking, coming into a discounted level. Okay. Follow that there. We're still bearish on this. This is just respecting, so respect the structure or come into discount level like that and sell off. I'm seeing his target sweep. Let's just wait on shorts. Okay. Yeah. It's a little aggressive, but let's try. I'm gonna say 8. One more loss and we are done ski. Okay. Confirm the medium inducement here based off this break. Last trade. This is the pulse candle prior. Tapped in. See price continue from there. Quick to guess the break test inducement 1110. That just continues. Madness, break test inducement, impulse candle. Candle prior was here. 10:30. Yeah, see how far this goes after taking the break test. Full TP or okay. It was not dotted on that. Okay, so we had the inducement here. This right here. This high, low. Okay. This could be a potential meeting inducement. Change character here. Okay. Change character. Should have went break even there. This is ready to go to the upside. But not for long. Okay, yeah, this is definitely blown right here. And we just add to from 10 to 6. All right. Let's clear this. Okay. Candle close is what we're looking for. Can imagine being bullish from here. This happened at 11 a.m. and we also changed character. This could also be a medium inducement. Okay, we'll see who wins. Probably get a good trade the next day, Tuesday, new week. Okay. Low inducements anywhere, that's good. Anywhere meaningful. No. So we might continue this bearish trend of this medium inducement right here. Okay, see what we can get. This is pretty good. Just wait for our key time window. That's precisely why. Check this out here. As long as we break above here, bullish. Time is this 10 o'clock. It's hard to get break tests from here. $11.20 scrapped. Price is just gone. Ideal entry would have been here, but we don't have enough data. This happened at on a specific time to where we could consider this the official break and try to take price of return here, but did not. The next day, bullish unless we are told otherwise. Okay. London continued. Either New York reversal, continuation. Let's just wait for some more info. Okay. Looks like we are gonna go for the reversal. If you can get a 5-minute re-entry. Yeah, 1040. $11.10, not a good sign, but take it. Price just ranges forever. Okay. It's gonna be a better trade. Let's just get out at break even. Yeah, the medium inducement here, potential change of character. If we break up here, then I'm bearish. Or I'm bullish if we break up here, but however, if you come into here, significant sweeps. See what London does. It seems to be reversing. Okay. Okay. For our key time window, okay. Character pretty structure. I'm definitely bearish on this. -2 medium inducement. Just oh man, a little tight, but let's do it. Okay, -4. It's 2 in 1 down. Done. 740. Big break up here. Yeah, bearishness was a little too obvious, eh? Lower low. Okay. At what? 730. Can't really totally break up here. So we're still operating off this medium inducement right here. So I am probably going to prioritize my shorts. There we go. Stepped in 645. What? Okay. The inducement of that was our entry. It's kind of crazy. Okay. 15 minutes. Let's give us a reversal. Change of character would be here. Just cover my change of character. 2.4 -4. We didn't take this trade yet. Let's go trade. It's giving us a re-entry. 3 or 2.5 is 3R or 5R. If we do 3R, it'll be up 2%. I like 2%. There's no break even. Either takes us out or confirms our buys for tomorrow, the next day. So okay, London continued. If you take the previous day low, break even. coming in to New York. Didn't get that change of character. Okay. So we see this high led to this low. Okay. This is definitely liquidity. Sweep of that up into here. My second bearish position. Okay, break even on this position. We took the previous day low. 2% risked. See where price decides to go. Okay, minus 2%. Let's get this moving along. This position is still on, risk-free though. To the next day. Medium inducement when? 9:45. This was a loss. Okay. Bullish on this next day. See if we can catch any buys up to yeah, let's look for buys here. Wait for our yeah, this was a good long. Okay, -2. This is about to hit our 6R. Let's go for 4. Nice. Just made 8R 0. We continue. This was a loss. This was 4R. Just respected this medium inducement way too much. Okay, let's just go on to the next day. Bearish. Didn't get any signs of bullishness. See if this session does it. Yeah. Still bearish on this. But we have such a dumb amount of discount. It's been 5 p.m. Count this as my new point of control. Price might need to recover this entire move, but let's see what the 5 minutes telling us. Nice. 1 to 3. Could get 1 to 4. Nice. Just past that. There was no valid medium inducement to trigger us higher. So this was the optimal point to re-enter based off of the bearish medium inducement from the previous day. Continue. Into 4 within single hour. We have our time, our sweep, we're in our key time window. It's a good short. Let's keep going. Time did this happen? 9:45. This could be a potential medium inducement like this. Change of character. Slow down into this high. This could be our bullish. Under control. New York reversal. London continuation. Okay. If not induce this. Just need to hit 2.5 to secure. Okay. Price. Damn. Okay. -2. The idea was to go long because for a medium inducement there. PM. Okay. Entry here. 80. 2.5 is around the daily high. It's pretty good. Okay. -4. What's wrong with the idea? It's just price fluctuation within this zone here. See what we get tomorrow. Building more liquidity. Tapping back in. Medium inducement within our a little bit outside. We're still operating off this medium inducement. I'm still bullish. Okay, 5 minute opened up. See if we can get an entry to these longs. Sweep mitigation. Let's just check the 15-minute. These equal highs. It's risky, but take it. See what we do. Nice. 4, 5, 10 -4. If we do 5R, I will take 4. So this is 8R, up 4%. To the next day. If this goes up to 5, that's crazy because we would have been able to pass our elevation. Damn. This is a almost 50% retracement. Okay. Let me do some happen at 10 a.m. So we have price, this is bad. Once you break, then we can try to short from here. See what we can get here. this. This is good. You can get 1R. That'll be perfect. 2R. Took all of this. I think it's still 1.5. 1.5 is about 3%. Yeah. There we go. That's 5. 10 o'clock. Negated. Change of character. Meeting inducement. This huge stop loss, but our target was 1.5. Hit that. See if we can get this payout now. Down 6 FAs, by the way. 6 evaluations. From previous back this session. I haven't taken a payout in a minute. Made 20K in the last one. Yeah. Let's see. So we are still operating off this medium inducement right here. This 5-minute of this sweep. Internals change of character. Tapped in and London continued us. So we had a New York reversal. London reversal, New York reversal. We have a London continuation. Can we see bullish? Wait, no. This change of characters and control. This is out, so I'm still bearish. Sweep of Asia. Zone like this. $2 is 1,000. 6 FAs at 56 a pop, 936. Okay, that'll bring us to break even pretty much. This is 130, still in drawdown. In the zone, okay, just becoming to discount. -2. Don't have the BOS yet. 330. Too close. We have to take the buys. Price dumps again from the same exact area. 1 down 2. Count this as my medium inducement. Okay. See New York continuation of previous London's, or New York's continuation. a trap. This is good. Very bad. We wanted to come into this zone right here. Still respecting this bearish thing. Damn, okay. More discount. This is -4. $11.30 though. Look how much this trade lost by. We're uncovering a significant enough low. So we took the sweep, covering this lower here. Yeah. It got it. On to the next day. Such a just took everybody out there. Okay. So we officially have the BOS. Beautiful. So the next day, Seducer was at 315. Not really relevant. Like these buys here. This will give me 2R. If we hit this, 3R. Seducement is at 2. Still in this trade here. No break even yet. Keep the risk on. Don't care if you blow this. Coming into New York. No medium inducement here at 245. I want us to continue this bullish trend. New York came in. Okay. Let's see if it takes us out. Okay. -6. Just one trade. This closes below, and I'm just wrong. It's close below. Can I break even? Yes. This hit just hit break even. This medium inducement is not in control. It's up now 130. 5 minute equal highs. You can sweep that. Take the short. However, let's break the structure here. Target this medium inducement. That's good. But we're risking for two B's are my 2 trades. We'll either pass me the count or blow it. It's good. Delete that one. The inducement still happened. It just didn't get taken out. That was at 12:45. This hit a 4R. TP. It's TP quick as hell, but bring this up to 2. So we basically had what? $64. Okay. So we can erase. Just made back 600 to 0 to 2 to 64. Overall profit. Overall loss. OPO. Awesome. Trader went on to do a 1 to 10. Absurd. Would have been 20R by the way. Shit. 1 to 4. Came in. Change of character within our time window. Just wait till 10 o'clock. Things like this. Okay. So 2R. Okay. Inducements. Change of character here. Let's see what we get the next session, and I think that will be it for my. Just want to get one good win. Good payout. This will be it for the back test. Okay, so change character. Okay, 15-minute. Sweep of that. Didn't really break anything, so let's just wait for something like this to break. Possibly enter here. Time is at 7:30. Right here. It's fine with me. 3R. Okay. -2. It's lost. This keeps going. 2.5 will give us 5. This will get 3R. This is about 750. Look at that. By a pip, yeah. Price is just gone. At 1 p.m. See how much that. Look at that. Can we measure? 2 points. Need tight. Whatchamacallit? Spreads. Kind of sucks. This entire. Where did it want to come to? Here. Is this the start of London? But I just got the continuation in New York. But this one to 4R. Realistically, I would have taken my profit at 3, which is pretty much 6%. Minus 2%. That's 4. And 4 plus 64. This is just coming along perfectly. So 250 times 4 is 1,064. That is our payout. From phase 1, phase 2 funded, erased 6% of 6 losing 6 funded account losses plus 1,000% or $1,000 profit, all within. I think these are previous sessions where we started. I was like up here. So August 13 to September 4th. It's not even one full month. 30 days rather. Pretty solid. All based off medium inducements, change of characters, breakup structures, and key time window. Solid. I'll be up for the stream. GG's.